Lot 110 is a 1994 International 4900 4x2. It's a tandem axle with one differential. All the gauges are there. Seems to be complete. Nice and red. The paint is good on the sides except for the hood. The hood is fading and peeling, and there's a little crack right there on the front. But the rest of the truck is in great shape. It's got incredibly low miles. I'll show it to you. It's got 21,000 miles and 1,700 hours only. Original. It has an Allison automatic transmission. The seat is nice. The headline is good. The dash, no cracks. Got the pump PTO. It seems to be complete. Tires appear to hold air. They look like they're fair, but they're hard to determine what condition they're in, so get them checked out. It's been sitting for a while here. It's been for over 2 years. It was driven in here, I was told, and parked. It's got 2 lights, one on each side. You don't see them like this anymore. These 1994s are not electronics. It has a DT466, one of the most reliable engines that International ever made. And we take it around the other side. It's blocked in there. As you can see, I can't even get, there's no room. I wasn't able to start it because there was no keys. Keys are missing. They've been lost. So no keys. Alright, as you can see, there's the fiberglass I told you, the dent, the crack on the fiberglass, and the faded hood, but the sides are nice. The decals will be removed by the county, I was told, so they do a pretty good job removing them here. They do with a heat gun, not with a blade. Nice. This is a nice truck. Alright, I noticed that the rear wheels are just for the weight because it is a water tanker truck. And here, the differential's right here. Okay, but there's no differential in the back, it's only in the front. The back is just to hold weight. So it pushes from the front axle. Right here, in the back, but the front axle. Okay, so one differential. Alright, this is a nice truck. Not bad. So it's in good condition, low hours. Interior really looks good. Alright, well, good luck. Sorry I wasn't able to start it. There are no keys. But it was parked here, I was told by the mechanics. So it was a running truck 2 years ago, so probably still is. But you know, everything we sell is as is, where is. Good luck.